Hey there folks, Jesse Peters here with the Jesse Peters team at RE/MAX One Group, and welcome to our latest Social Savvy Stunner. Yes, our latest listing is a gem. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit is something you are not going to want to miss. So here are the top 3 reasons why Addison and I think you're going to love it.
Number 3, the layout of this main floor unit. Check out the open concept. Stainless steel appliances all included, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and both the bedrooms are on separate wings, so you're not gonna hear each other. Plus a big patio, ensuite laundry, and no neighbors behind you. You can't beat this, everybody.
Number 2, this space. You are not gonna find a space like this in many condo developments in the city. So let's talk about it. Well, first of all, it's huge. A great place to hang out with friends, play some cards, get some studying done. And by the way, it's an internet cafe. So Wi-Fi is included right here. And right behind me is a beautiful common area patio. And right down below is a gym. Plus, there's underground parking available. And the unit, it comes with a spot outside.
And the number 1 reason why we think you are going to absolutely love Unit 108 80 Barnes is the location of this unit. You are literally steps away from the University of Manitoba, steps away from Superstore if you need some groceries, and bus routes all around the area. Can't beat it.
So folks, thank you so much for checking out our top 3 reasons why we think you're going to love this listing. And if you want to see more, boom! There's the site. Check it out. So much amazingness is here. And you know what? Here's a bonus number. Units in this building don't come up for sale very often. So even if you're thinking about potential income property, this would be a good one. So thanks for tuning in. Would love to see you out. And you know the drill. Stay social.